Welcome to the bite-sized video of video generation using Seedance and content moderation using Seed 1.6. I am Pratik Sharma from BytePlus. I will be showcasing you how I have generated a pipeline from video generation using Seedance to content moderation using Seed 1.6. In today's digital landscape, the volume of video content being uploaded every minute is staggering. For platforms and creators, ensuring this content is safe and suitable for all audiences is a monumental task. Manual moderation is time consuming and often impractical. This is where automation becomes essential. We have developed a demo application that showcases an automated approach to content moderation. This tool is designed to quickly and efficiently analyze video content for a range of sensitive topics, providing a clear and actionable report. Our application is built on a powerful combination of technologies. We start with a given video. First, we use OpenCV, a leading computer vision library, to extract a specific frame from the video. To optimize performance, we have configured this app to extract every 10th frame, giving us a representative sample of the video content. Once a frame is extracted, the magic happens. We feed this image into BytePlus' powerful LLM, Seed 1.6. This model's advanced capabilities allows it to generate detailed, accurate caption describing the visual content of the frame. This caption is a key piece of information we will use for moderation. With the caption in hand, we turn to Natural Language Toolkit or NLTK for our moderation engine. Now let's look into the ModelArc platform. This is the landing page of BytePlus console. This page you get when you sign in on the BytePlus console. This page shows all the services and solutions offered by BytePlus. Here you can see ModelArc. You need to click on the ModelArc tile to get inside ModelArc. Once you get inside ModelArc, you can view all the models offered by BytePlus under Foundation Model tab. Here you can see all the models listed here. These are the seed suit models. We have other models as well listed here itself. Of all the models listed, we need to use ByteDance Seedance 1.0 Pro and ByteDance Seed 1.6. For using these models, first we need to check if the models are activated. You can get inside Model Activation tab here. For Seed 1.6, we can check inside LLM tab that the model is activated for us. And for Seedance Pro, we can check inside the Vision Model tab that Seedance Pro is activated for us. I will be using Seedance from the playground of ModelArc itself. So I don't need an API key or endpoint ID for it. But I need those details for Seed 1.6 as I will be using the API for Seed 1.6 from the application. For the API, first you can generate API key from the API key management. You can click on Create API key here and then again click Create to create the API key. I already have an API created for me. The next step would be to generate an endpoint ID. For this, you can go inside Online Inference tab, again inside Custom Inference Endpoint tab, and then click on Create Inference Endpoint. You can give a random name and select a model of your choice and click on Confirm. On confirming, you will get the button for creating the endpoint. I have already created an endpoint for me. This is the endpoint that I have created and this is the endpoint ID I need to use in the application. Now let's go to the playground for generating a video. Here we get an option to generate the video using image or just using the prompt. So I can give a prompt here. And select the parameters and simply click on generate. It will start the task of generating the video. It will take some time, so I have already generated a video and downloaded it for the content moderation purpose. This is the content moderation app I have created using Python, and I have used Streamlit for rendering the UI. On the top, you can see an option for entering your API key which you had created in Modeler console. Then you get an option to upload the video. I have already uploaded a video for the processing here. This application offers a comprehensive list of content moderation types, including violence detection, sexual content and nudity, terrorism and extremist content, child safety and exploitation, graphic or disturbing content. Each of these categories has a predefined list of associated keywords. This app is also highly customizable. Users can input their own specific keywords to tailor the moderation to their unique needs. As NLTK processes the generated caption, it scans for any word that matches either the predefined list or the user custom input. If a match is found, that word is highlighted in red, signaling that the corresponding frame contains potentially unsuitable content. I have already processed the video for showcasing in the demo. As you can see here, the app has extracted 13 frames from the video and has created a caption for each of the frames. See how the word fighter has been highlighted in red, indicating a potential violation under the violence detection category. The application provides a clear, concise analysis section at the bottom. This section summarizes the result of moderation, including the percentage of frames that were flagged as unsuitable. This gives content creators and moderators a quick, at-a-glance understanding of their video's overall safety rating. By combining the power of BytePlus Seed 1.6 LLM for accurate captioning and NLTK for robust keyword analysis, this demo application offers a powerful, scalable solution for automated content moderation. It's a glimpse into how AI can help us navigate the challenges of the digital world, making online spaces safer for everyone.